Let's do another unusual option activity, trade ideas and summary using Market Chameleon. We've done 2 videos and some of you like this, so let's continue. I want to show you what caught my eye today. First of all, in order to even go there, there's a 7-day link in the description for Market Chameleon free trial. But in the search bar, once you are a member, even a free trial member, you just log in, you go to the search bar, and it will open all those crazy stuff, like good stuff, and click on unusual option value, okay? And make sure that you are today. This is just a summary of today. Now, I went over most of the stuff, and sure, I couldn't be wrong. Everything can pop or drop every day. But I something really caught my eye. So I changed the net delta in here, and I didn't even go over all the opportunities. That's how big this space is, and there's so much stuff to explore. Okay, so I click on net delta twice. I like the bullish, and I'm looking for this over like a 6-figure, over 100K. But also something I'm going over like one by one and see what we got. And I didn't, as I said, I didn't even go all of them, but the point is this caught my eye, okay? We're gonna go over this trade idea in a minute just to see what we see, and of course this could be completely wrong, so let's go to the disclaimer. Yeah, make sense of this. So we got a disclaimer, feel free to read it. And know that this is not a financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is for entertainment purposes only. And my name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Now, with that being said, let me show you this. Okay, so we got the trade itself. The ticker symbol is EL, Estee Lauder. Okay, Estee Lauder, COS Cosmetics, I assume. 30 billion market cap. 2.1 volume, so double the volume. I mean, it's not 50 times more, but the earnings is in a week from now, so maybe, I don't know what's going on, but I'm gonna show you what I see that caught my eye. So that usual volume is actually high, 12,000, and now today is 27,000. The sentiment is bullish, almost 250,000 net delta to the positive. It closed yesterday was 89, not yesterday, Friday was 89, closed today 86, negative 3.3%. The earning is a week from now, IV is at 60, okay. So when you click here and you click on the bullish, it opened this trade, okay. And before we go over this, I don't know if you saw from a few days ago, remember the Iron Condor screener. I just want to go over this and why Market Chameleon is literally the it's the best $100 a month that you could spend, not a financial advice. Remember the trade was the Condor, the $4.5 on the put side, the put spread, and $7 and above on the call side, and now it's like $5.90, down 7%, and as long as it closes between 4.5 and 7 by Friday, full income on this trade. That was like that was massive, and I saw it went on Friday. I don't know if you guys caught it, but on Friday it went to like $9 per second. You see here, this is probably like short covering or something like that, and then more people got short, and then it went back, and this was like 5, look at this, 1:30 at 1 o'clock it was 6:30. And look at this, 680 at 115, and then bam, $9.12 at 130, and then back to 787 and 630, and then we are here back to 6 and 590. And as long as it stays under 7 and above 4.5 by expiration, and the earnings were already made a few days ago, that's it. The trade will finish like super profitable. No, I haven't taken the trade, but this was the best trade based on probabilities at the point of looking at the information in front of me or Market Chameleon. So that's that. We also have a Kellogg from Unusual Option Activity. There was a call spread 75.85 for Friday. I don't know if it will happen by Friday or was it for September 20, I'm not sure. And we also got APPS, just going over real quick before I show you the trade. APPS was a $2.50 call for Friday. Now it's 280, down 10% today. We'll see what the week brings. And there was a FNKO, another trade. When the price was 8.5, okay, and there was two trades. Was a sell 7.5 puts for income, and also sell the 10 puts. Now the 10 puts, it was like 980 or something a few days ago, so you could probably close unless it will go above 10 by Friday. I'm not sure, I don't know, no one knows the future, but that spiked to like 980 or something a few days ago. If you sold the 10 puts, you could have covered with good profit. So there's stuff in here. Yes, I need to tweak and find, because it's not like the screeners. I'm sure tons of you, including myself, use the unusual option activity screeners out there, but they all gave you the same information, like cluster on bullish Apple, on Nvidia or Microsoft or Facebook. I don't care about those. Those are giants. I'm looking for the super speculative, where I put like 20 cents, 20 bucks option, and because the institution put like 6 figures or more on that stock that I don't even know what it is. So with that being said, let's go over the trade idea of not Eli Lilly, Estee Lauder. So let's see what we got. So let's see what we got. Just the information. Last price $86. Okay, down 3.3%. We don't click on this just to see what we got. Okay, let's open this in like a different tab. Okay, I'll open this later. It opens option strategy, so that's also something. Earning a week from now, August 19, before market opens. Dividend yield 3.1%. Okay, dividend August 28, also not today. After earnings, market cap. Okay, look at the price, $86. Now, if you see here, positive 21% options compared to stock, plus 250,000 order flow on balance. We got all this, and you see nothing happened. All of a sudden, green. Now, here's the kicker. Sold puts, okay? If someone sells puts, they are bullish. It's also green, so it tells me that they're bullish. So they believe that the price will not go below a certain price. So if the price today is 86, so they can sell 80 puts, for example. And then let's put EL here. So if the price is 86 and they sell 80 puts, they just believe that the price will not go below 80, and they are basically collecting all the income as long as it stays above 80. I see 52-week range. This is where we are. Okay, good to know. We are at 52-week low, 86 to 168. Wow, it really took a beating. In the last, it went from 97. How much it was for the month? Went from 102. Wow, that's quite the beating. Okay, good to know. So we are at on the yearly low. 1 year target 132. Volume double. Interesting. No one talks about it. The volume almost not double, but 4.5 milli compared to 3 milli. Okay. Now this is what's interesting to me. So let's go over this again. We had sold puts and we had bought puts, but the sold puts 500,000. Look at this. August 16, okay, 2024, 145 puts, 260,000. Okay. I assume it's part of this, the bought puts. Okay, so they bought 145. I don't expect it to go above 145 by Friday. It's 86 now. So I went to this one. This is 108. It says negative. I assume, I'm not sure, I don't know, but I assume that this is just plain and simple bought puts. And this is plain and not plain and simple, but the other way, sold puts. 108,000 contracts, I assume. Top 10 option contracts, yeah. 108,000 contracts. August 16, which is this Friday, 115 puts. Okay? 115 puts sold. We are at 86. So this person, do they have shares? They probably have shares. I don't know if it will go above 115. That's, I don't know, 30% from here. If it does, that's crazy. If it doesn't go anywhere, that's another thing. This one, they bought the 135 put, so they probably did something here, 135, 145, something like that. This is the more reasonable thing. They bought 85 put, but those are getting smaller. You see, it's another one. Sold 36,000 contract for August 16, 110 put. So are they betting that the price will be above 110, above 115, something like that? This is January, June. So this is okay. I don't care about January and June a year from now. August 16, another one, 120 put. Fine. I don't know. I don't know if it's the same player. It's probably not. There's a lot of players in this, and this is October and March. It says large delta volume came from August 16. Okay, 145 puts with traders getting long. 260, 100 delta on the single option. Okay, institutions. Okay, look at this, super green. And small retailer short. The largest dollar volume for single leg option came from large institution size trade, 28 million in notional trade. This is insane. Okay, so it says here what they do. Let me see. There we go. Corn 27 compared to 15 million. Large institution. Trade size. So we got ourselves small retail or long. Retail is short. Professional. Not a lot. Okay. So let's see what else we got. And you see here, this is also interesting. Deltas by strike price away from the spot. So we got positive delta volume 163,000 and okay, away from the spot. Yeah, that's what I said. Look at this. It's if this is the spot 0 and this is like 0 to -5. Look at this, 20 delta by strike price away from the spot. Positive delta volume. Look at it. This is crazy. This is. Interesting, 20% and up. Okay, away from the strike price, bullish. So they sold what they sold, 115, 125, 135 puts. Are they to this Friday? Are they expecting a giant move in Estee Lauder? I will buy some calls tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. And this one says delta by days to expiration. Also super green. 5 days, under 5 days to expiration. Positive delta 217,000. After that, super small, little bearish for a year from now, or something like that. Circle option value. Okay, that doesn't really interesting. High 250,000. Less price. Okay, so what do we have here? We got $86 price, and we got the sold puts and bought puts, but we got ourselves bought 145 puts. Fine, I don't expect it to go above 145, but sold 115 puts for August 16. This is also okay. 135, fine. This is a week from now, I don't care. And this is a sold 110 put for August 16. Now keep in mind that the earnings is August 19. Okay, and the dividend is August 28. Now, unless there's like major news this next 3-4 days, which I don't know, the news is the earnings, but if there is some movement, I don't know. I'll wait and see. Maybe I'll buy some 90 call options or 100 call options tomorrow morning. We'll see how the day goes. But this is very interesting, and again, I haven't even gone over all of this, but you saw my thought process, how I analyze. Check market Chameleon unusual option activity maybe once or twice a day. Super interesting. Have some time, go over all of this and see what you see, to see if you can have yourself an edge. If you're not a member just yet, 7 days trial, link below. I'll see you next time. Yeah.